Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, we lucked out with weather until today.
Yeah.
It's at least bright out. The temperature's not too bad, but it is raining.
Yeah.
But we have that covered and protected.
But look at
And the best part, it does say Tokyo Disney Resort, so we were okay getting them, as opposed to just, Disney parks. So, all right, let's venture out into the rain for the day at Disneyland.
Okay.
We'll see how much video there is, too, in the rain.
Yeah.
And there's the castle.
There it is.
We haven't walked over to it at all yet, in as long as we've been here.
No.
But Ed is here for a very specific reason today. The Baymax ride is reopened.
Yes.
So we're gonna go head over there and check it out and maybe get some Baymax curry.
Okay.
Yeah.
It sounds warm.
Sounds warm and indoors potentially.
Yeah.
It's just windy. It's not even raining too hard, it's windy and cold on top of it.
You know what? We live in Phoenix now, and it's
We're not-
100
yes. Probably 105 today, who knows?
So we're not used to it anymore.
No. But again, one of the best features here at Tokyo Disneyland, covered World Bazaar.
How do you not have this when you live in Orlando and it rains all the time? There's an entire thing covered.
You got me. Great idea. Castle.
It's even purring. That's
Oh, I
amazing.
hear it, yes.
Yes.
Wow. Can you hear it purring? Oh, it just meowed. Overload, it's an entire Baymax store. Oh, help us. Unfortunate branding, but let's be honest. It's true. I do love a BM. One of the weirdest things about Tokyo Disneyland is it's a little bit Disneyland, a little bit Magic Kingdom, but actually neither of them. For example, we're in Tomorrowland Terrace having our food, and there's something missing that feels like it should be there.
Which thing?
Cosmic Ray.
Good.
Ed doesn't like him. But the real reason we're here is actually about this guy.
Yes.
We came to get our Baymax burger. I don't even remember what's on it. Do you, Ed? I'll have to
Doesn't matter.
check real quick, but
Oh, I can
wow.
see everything.
Unwrap it, Ed. Baymax seems to maybe have some low batteries and is deflating a little bit. However, it's still adorable and awesome. I mean, look at this. The packaging is fun. But what this is it's a meat patty with a teriyaki chicken and onion mayo. So it smells really good.
It does smell really
Even the
good.
lettuce here smells like lettuce.
I hope.
All right, let's watch Ed destroy Baymax.
I love Baymax. It smells good.
Ouch. Baymax needs a health advisor. And while Ed's chewing, I can mention some of his favorite music is playing in here, like Carousel of Progress. You didn't need to fake eating. I was doing it while you were chewing. Oh, you're done? Okay. So what do we think?
I have to tell you, the sauce is really good. I think you're gonna enjoy it.
So it's not Cosmic Ray's food.
No, because Cosmic Rays has the worst food.
The time has come. We're gonna go ride with Baymax.
We love Baymax.
It's the happy ride with Baymax.
Actually, just so you know, the first movie we ever went together was Baymax.
Yes, it was Big Hero 6. It was the first movie we ever saw together. Oh, let's go visit Baymax.
Cute.
love popcorn buckets, and they have an entire popcorn bucket store.
Which is so
It is really
smart.
cool. Yes. I mean, look at the chandelier too. It's popcorn.
Yeah.
But what's really cool is they also have, even if we don't get a popcorn bucket, a specialty flavor that we want to try, the strawberry Napoleon.
It smells so
It smells so good in here.
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting it.
Okay.
It's raining, it's gross, but I got my popcorn bucket. Ed and I are gonna go sit and eat our strawberry Napoleon, but an entire popcorn store. Like this is my dream come true. Oh, let's go sit down and eat it. And now the skies have opened a little bit more. Oh yes. All right, Ed, give us a tour of our popcorn bucket here.
We have Mickey.
Oh, Mickey and Minnie. Oh, all the lands are on the ribbon here.
Yeah.
All the, oh wow. Is it all the characters too on the other side? That's really cool.
Wait, look.
Oh my goodness. Wow. And then, how much was this? 2,800 yen. And because we get the popcorn separate, it came with a popcorn box for each of us. So, wow. Big pop.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of popcorn. But then we can fold it up and put it away in our popcorn bucket if we don't finish it. Well, I'll say, this popcorn is delicious. It's not even too sweet. It smells sweeter than it tastes. But it's no roast beef popcorn. But look at it. Ah! Time to go on a daring journey with Pinocchio. Ooh, I hope he makes it out in the end. It's cold and windy, but one of the most magical things here at Tokyo Disney is you can go into the castle and
Yes.
it's not a restaurant.
No, I love it.
Yeah, so we're gonna go head up and go visit with Cindy.
Okay.
Cindy, we're coming. You better have better snacks than Anna and Elsa did. Ugh.
Yeah.
Send someone out not to Entenmann's. If you don't know what we're talking about, watch the other videos.
Yes. A nice little break to go visit Cindy. Yeah.
She wasn't home though. But Ed felt free to try on her shoes while we were up there.
I mean, why not?
She left them out. But now, Beauty and the Beast?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's go do that. That's so good. Ready? Here we go. Maybe I'll film a little bit today. We'll see.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Because it's not a Tokyo thing to do, and you can find it elsewhere.
Yes.
But we're gonna go ride it.
Okay.
The mist is spooky.
Yes. It's also really cool.
This is one of the best castles.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
This attraction is beautiful, but I think I'm gonna go enjoy it with Ed this time.
Fair.
We're gonna go ride and love every minute of it.
Yes.
I don't play around when I dress for Disney.
No.
This is actually from Tokyo from our first trip.
Yeah.
But that ride is so good. I don't know how many like fully high-tech animatronics are in that, but starting with the pre-show and then it doesn't stop.
Yeah. No, it's beautiful.
It's so
definitely
good.
worth seeing,
Yes.
obviously, if you can. Yeah.
Well-imagineered ride.
Yes.
Love it.
Yep.
I mean, is there anything in this park we don't love?
I don't think so.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
The rain.
The rain.
today.
Yes, the weather today, but that is not under
No.
their control. Even the water sounds great. The mist here, like this is not the weather that's behind us. That is the mist created here at the castle.
Yes.
Like that's an on-purpose item.
There's little sounds of
Wolves in the distance when you come out. Oh,
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah.
We're gonna go visit Stitchy and learn all about Ohana.
And we were told very
It's
clearly.
only in Japanese, and I don't care.
No. Yeah.
We knew it was in Japanese before we got in line. That's some of the most fun. Like the emotion and everything still comes through. So we'll see.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be similar, I guess, like Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor and Turtle Talk with Crush. So we'll check it out. We'll let you know. Only in Japan do they have an intermission in the parade to cross the street. So the parade's still going on, but they let you cross the street between the boats. Only here, because then they say stop and everyone stops. And while we're stuck in the hub, we might as well check out some more of the Donald Quack City decorations.
Yeah, agreed. Even the garbage cans are Donald themed. Oh my God, they have feet. I didn't even I would
notice.
hope so.
No, but I didn't notice. It's like,
Yeah.
oh my God.
It's everywhere. I know.
When are we getting that garbage can? Please. Thank you. It's not my birthday for another year. Is that duck lips?
I don't know.
We're delirious.
Yeah.
Ready to go see some pirates?
Is it gonna be scary, pirates?
No, but they have the most original version still. Let's go. Ready? Will you protect me from the pirates?
I'll protect myself.
Oh, that's nice. Putting himself before others. spend some time together on a nice cruise.
Oh, that's good.
We'll see you all after we get back. If you know us, we weren't passing up anything Chip 'n Dale. So there's a pair of steam buns here in Adventureland that are Chip 'n Dale themed. They are a sweet potato steam bun and a tomato and something steam bun. I already forgotten. I just read it. But
They smell really good.
do they? Okay,
Yeah.
take a bite. Let's see.
Okay, which one should I try first?
Let's see. Oh, I don't know how to tell them by their butts.
Chip and Dale. They're different colors.
Yes, but I don't remember who's the lighter one, who's the darker one.
Okay, ready? All right, the first one was the tomato chicken. I really like it. It's kind of got that, it's pretty good. It tastes like tomato bisque. I like the texture. It's good. I'll have you try it.
Alrighty.
All right.
Alright, and next up is Dale's buns. It's actually his butt. So the Dale bun is Dale buns. Get it?
Yeah, we got it, yeah.
Okay, so this should be the sweet potato one. Let's see. It's exactly what you think. It's Japanese sweet potato inside.
Oh.
Ed's gonna love this one. It's really good.
皆さん、ウエスタンリバー鉄道にようこそ。これから皆さんを神秘的な熱帯のジャングル、そして開拓時代のアメリカ西部を巡る素晴らしい旅にご案内します。アメリカの西部開拓時代へと入っていきます。
rode the Western River Railroad,
Yeah.
which here at Tokyo Disneyland is an attraction, not transportation.
Right.
But I was actually very impressed when we asked, is there a way to avoid stairs for you?
Yeah.
They have a whole disabled boarding procedure that was amazing.
Yeah.
Check this out, how we got off the train.
Okay.
And we're going to go do our next attraction.
Okay.
Ohana!